Well, a very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. Here's a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game in stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. A moment of great pride, the anthem. Off we go then. Simpson. Sinclair. Whittingham. Pushes it out wide. He's left it. Hola! Oh, surely that deserved better.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
To get it forward quickly. Shakes the shoots! It's there!
You know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
That has certainly made things interesting. Denise. Holt. Jones. Played out to the right. Can he score? Aimed long and direct. In the box if he gets his head up. Boots it to safety. And now the breakaway. Holla. And he's away. Keeps everyone guessing. Good determined running there, but run back by the defence.
Oh look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't.
Real chance, Felton! Forward it goes. He's got away. Lovely bit of skill. There has been just the early goal here, and the score is 1-0. be a throw. Whittingham tries to get it forward quickly. Lafferty. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Beersha. Denise. Lafferty. He's through. And a shot! Same again, same outcome.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
Aimed long and direct. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Short. Into the middle. Going for goal! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, Peter, I would say it was worth a try.
Going through. Surely he scored. Shoots! Saved only by poor finishing. He's left his man. Tries to dink it in. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Holt. Lovely bit of skill there. Oh, he's in! Clears it out of harm's way. It's a loose ball, big chance, can he finish? Back of the net! Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
That has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, for me, both sides are strong and well-matched, and I think you need to be a good player to be out there right now.
Well positioned to make that interception. Samwell. Plays a clever pass. Deftly done. Played into space out wide. Real chance to break. He's got away. Bergson. Nicely measured pass. And it's hoisted clear. Dinks one in. And he just whacks it away. Lafferty. Beersha. And that'll be the last act of the first half. Genuinely interesting game here, very, very watchable. 2 goals, 1 each. And we are up to the break.
Oh, what a half of football. It's 1-1, but it could easily be 3-3 or more. Breakneck speed brilliance.
So once again, we're underway. No changes at the interval from either side. Looks to dink one in. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Simpson tries to get it forward quickly. Oh, that is lovely footwork. And it's got through. Gets up to head it! Oh, he's got that completely wrong. Tries lifting it over. Has he picked him out? Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Drills one in.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
Whittingham. And he's got the ball glued to his feet. Looking to break out here. Gets wrestled off the ball. Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. And he's made certain that won't get through. Whittingham. All the way back and they start again. Gets it upfield. To add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
What an adventurous run from it. He's gone for it! It's there! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
So we have a breakthrough.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Low. He's made sure that that won't get through. Ball through needs to be good here. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Gets good distance on it. Whittingham. He's left his man. Hola! Goal!
Well, this is a terrific show of resilience and spirit. I love to see a team roll up their sleeves and force their way back. Superb.
Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Well, that's excellent composure because the keeper put as much pressure on as he could by not committing sooner.
Touchline, it seems there's going to be a change. So all square and not for the first time.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
He goes long, looking for space out wide. Oh, that's nice. Crosses in a low one. And that has been clubbed away. Samuel has it out wide now. Going through. Oh, nice touch. Gets it back. And a shot! Danger averted for now. Oh, hits one! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Massive leap! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. He's got options out wide. Looking to shoot. Really well taken goal. And the game is well and truly turned on its head. A simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the pass to pick him out.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that favour.
That's how you make an impact as a sub. When most are tired, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
Change here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though not quite able.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, I think you can write this lot off at your peril. It's been a joy to watch them haul themselves right back into it. Now, can they hang on?
Plays it out to the flank. He's got away. Here it comes. He's gone out for a throw-in. The changes then in quick succession.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Oh, he's got a crucial block in there.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Decent looking ball. Whistle's gone, that's a foul.
Yeah, a callous act that was used to rescue a desperate moment, Peter. They dug a deep hole for themselves there.
Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. He's had a crack. With style. Two to the good. They have breathing space. And very little time left. Surely this is it. Beersha. Andre. Samwell. Played into space out wide. He's left his man. Could have here their final chance. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
In once more. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Aimed long and direct. Oh. It's on a plate. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. And it's been taken short. Played in deep. Had too much on it. Garida. He's had a look. Boots it to safety. It's a brilliant interception. And the referee brings it to a close. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Your reflections then, Jim?
Jamaica showed us why it's so important to seize the initiative. Once in front, they grew in belief and rarely looked at risk.